Immersive healthcare is transforming learning experiences. Innovative AI technology delivers game-changing practice simulations for training in the healthcare industry. Virtual human patients have replaced plastic mannequins as students practice their core skills. These virtual patients are equipped with lifelike communication skills, so learners can fully engage in conversation with patients as they practice care routines.
Hello there. Did you come here to do something?
Hi there, I'm here to clean your dentures.
Oh, you're here to do denture cleaning. Sounds good.
Okay, I'm gonna touch your face now.
Sure, I'm ready. Go ahead.
Practice simulations can be safely and conveniently experienced at home or in class using virtual reality technology, making immersive learning accessible even in remote locations. Competency assessment is essential, so detailed analytics from each session are provided to learners for self-review and for instructors to deliver personalized guidance and support. Sessions are interactive and replayable, providing learners the ongoing opportunity to improve their skills and develop confidence in their workplace readiness. Immersive learning engages trainees and has demonstrated higher retention rates and faster learning times than conventional teaching methods. Book a demonstration today and let us show you how this technology can benefit your healthcare trainees, your instructors, and add value to your institution by saving time and resources. We look forward to speaking with you soon.